All right, for the first one, you got to plug in 3 for your two x's. Order of operation says you must square it first, so that gives me 9. 9 times 2 is 18, minus the 3 gives you the 15. Wonderful for the nice cough there. You must use the exponent first, so that's 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 gives you the negative 6. 2 times the negative 6 gives you the negative 12 there. Over here, I went 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. Squared gives you the positive 4. So the 3 times the 4 gives you the 12. Negative 12 minus 12 is a negative 24. If that's an x squared, if its area is an x squared, that means it's x times x, which is x squared. So all these guys are x's around there. Y squared means this is y, and this side is also y. And 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and this would be y. Take away that 1, so it's y minus 1. Y minus x, because this length is x. The whole thing's y. Take it away. That gives you the y minus x. Combine like terms to get the perimeter. Combine like terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 1 is 10x. 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4 y. And then plus the 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and minus 1 is 4. The area is just combine the like terms of the areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5x squared. And then y squared is right here, and 2 1s. Chase, shh. Two numbers that are 6 apart. So I found one of them. I added 6 to get 16. And when you multiply them together, you get 216. So then I went 10 times 16 is 160. Then I guessed 12 because I need something larger. Add 6 gives me 18. Multiply them together, and it worked. A lot of people freaked out on this one because of the triangle. I broke it up as 40 by 10, and that's the area is 40 times 10 is 400. This part, if you take off the 10, makes that 40, and then I need to know the height. So 40 is this whole length. Take away that 25 gives you the 15 for the height. So that's 15. So 40 times 15 gives me this area. Then I had to subtract out the triangle, which its height was 15. Base was 10. So 15 times 10 divided by 2, 75. Add, subtract, 925. Flipping it over. Most people got these correct. I subtracted 2x from both sides. I added 3 to both sides, then divided. I checked it by substituting in negative 6 in for my x's, and it came out to be negative 33 is equal to negative 33. That's true. So that made it work. I only had to check one of them, so I only did that one. Distribute the negative. That's why this guy's negative here. Combine like terms. They're gone. Add 18 to both sides. Divide, and you got x equals 2. So 7 quarts is $15.95. 7 quarts and dollars. Quarts and dollars. Quarts and dollars. Cross multiply, and you get $45.11. Adding 3 each time. Adding 3 little tiles each time. So I just subtracted these 3 to get that figure. Since it's increasing by 3 each time, I'm adding 3 a bunch of times. Adding 3 a bunch of times is multiplication, so it's 3x, and then it started off with 5. So 3x plus 5. The 100th figure, 3 times 100 plus the 5 gives you 305. Function notation, f of negative 4. That means take negative 4 and plug it in for the x's. So I plugged it in for my x's. Square this, gives me 16 positive times a negative 2 gives me negative 32. When you add those two together, you get negative 2. Add them together, and I get f of negative 4 is equal to negative 34.